find the derivative f prime x of the following functions. So first we got function equals 1 over 3x minus 1 raised to 4. Okay, so 1 over, we have just a constant on the top, so we can get rid of this fraction. Move this to the top, so this becomes to the fourth becomes negative 4. So this function can be rewritten as 3x minus 1 raised to negative 4. So we have now some function raised to negative 4. So this is inside function and outside function. Outside is something raised to negative 4. It's like x. If we assume everything as x n, then we can use power rule for the outer function, and this is inner function 3x minus 5. For that we use the chain rule. Whenever we have f outer inner, find the derivative of outer, leave inner alone, times derivative of inner function. So in that way this derivative is, it's like something raised to n, so we use the power rule. So n is like negative 4, that's something raised to negative 4 minus 1. N minus 1 means negative 4 minus 1, negative 5. And inner function 3x minus 1 times, from the chain rule, derivative of inner function. Derivative of 3x is 3 minus derivative of 1 is 0. 3 minus 0 just 3. You may leave here, or you can simplify. Negative 4 times 3, negative 12, and to the negative power fifth, so put that on the bottom. So 3x minus 1 raised to 5 on the bottom, 4 times 3, 12, negative 12 on the top. So negative 12 on the top, I want to put negative in the front and 12 on the top. Okay, next again we have a constant on the top, so we can get rid of this fraction, by the way. So 3 times, so we have a square root of 4x square plus 3, that is 4x square plus 3 raised to 1/2 on the bottom. Move that to the top, then we get 4x square plus 3 raised to negative 1/2. Square root means 1/2 power, that's on the bottom when we take negative 1/2. Now let's take the derivative using chain rule. This is inner function that raised to some power, it's like x n. If we assume everything as x n, then we use the power rule for outer function and leave the inner function alone first, then times derivative of inner function. This 3 is constant, so that just survives 3 there. X n, then power rule n, x means leave the inner function alone, n x n minus 1, negative 1/2 minus 1. Negative 1/2 minus 1 is negative 3/2. Inner function is 4x square plus 3 times derivative of inner function. Derivative of 4x squared, that's 8x, plus derivative of 3 is 0, just 8x. You may leave here, or you can simplify this negative sign, pull that all the way to the front. 2 goes once, 2 goes 4 times. Now this negative 3 times 4, 12x, that's on the top, so negative 12x on the top, and we have 4x squared plus 3 raised to negative 3/2. Bring that on the bottom, power 3/2, so this becomes positive. Final.